Here we have one MIDI note progression. But what if I could tell you that with Meld, we can turn that into really cool, glitchy, atmospheric chords. Still the same notes, but as chords. And here's how it sounds in a full track. I found stillness in a pulse of your heartbeat. Let me show you how you can design chords like that. First, we're going to go to Instruments and we're going to pick Meld. Add some MIDI notes. So I have C, E, G, and D. So we're going to pick a chord oscillator to oscillator A. It generates 4 saw waves and stacks them into a chord shape, like major or minor. The shape control allows you to control how far apart the notes in the chord are. Think about it like opening and closing your hand in a piano. The inversion knob changes which notes are on the top and which ones are on the bottom. So it can make the chord feel lighter or heavier or more emotional. Very high up. So in the Ableton Live set, we are in C major. So I'm going to go and activate the current scale button, which means that now everything that we're going to do in here are going to be in C major. Ableton 12.2 also has a new LFO shape. Now in oscillator A, we're going to go into LFO section. And here we have LFO1 and LFO1 FX. Under here in the FX, we can go and select Scrambler. So now we need to go and actually add it into Matrix so that it modulates one control in Meld. I want it to control the filter frequency. So I'm going to first activate it so it will do some cool shapes. It looks like Batman's ears. And I'm going to just click the filter frequency so it's selected. And now I'm going to go into the Matrix. In the Matrix, because I click the filter frequency, it now recognizes it here, filter frequency. And if we go filter frequency, LFO 1 FX. So we can connect the filter frequency to LFO 1 FX. That's the Batman mask doing its job. But what if I want it to be a bit faster? I need to go to the rate of the LFO. Click that and I'm gonna pick. We can always add the oscillator B to do also a chord. I'm gonna make it octave lower and I'm gonna make the shape exactly the same. By using the filter frequency on the oscillator B, I can make it that there's a little bit separation between those two. And if you go to the A filter frequency, and take it down, you can hear that it modulates the chord even more. I also like adding a little bit spread, a little bit drive to this sound. And the final cherry on the top, let's add some hybrid reverb. And let's see how it fits into the track that I created around these chords. Learn more Meld from this video over here. And remember, if you want to learn to make a track from start to finish in Ableton Live, check out my online courses from down below. There's also a little discount code there for you. Have a lovely day and come back again soon. Bye.